The Cooking Master stove is an exceptional appliance designed for culinary enthusiasts. With its features and superior performance, it effortlessly elevates the cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual home cook, this stove provides the versatility and power needed to create delicious meals. From precise temperature control to even heat distribution, the Cooking Master stove ensures that every dish is cooked to perfection. Its durable construction and sleek design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The water car is a remarkable invention that allows for transportation both on land and water. This innovative vehicle utilizes a unique propulsion system that enables it to navigate through various bodies of water. The Mount UB14 blower is a powerful and versatile tool designed for efficient leaf and debris removal. It features a 14-horsepower engine. Robotics is a German-based company specializing in the design and development of mobile robots. They create innovative robotic solutions tailored to various industries and applications. The Jetson Rosbug is a specialized robot platform designed for research and development in the field of robotics. Based on the NVIDIA Jetson platform, it offers powerful computing capabilities and is equipped with robot operating system. The Cumulus project is an innovative initiative aimed at addressing the pressing global water crisis by developing a groundbreaking machine capable of transforming air into water. This revolutionary technology has the potential to provide a sustainable and accessible solution to water scarcity in regions around the world. Air Marker is a revolutionary device designed to expedite search and rescue operations in remote or difficult-to-access areas. By rapidly deploying a highly visible signal balloon, it can significantly reduce the time it takes to locate individuals in distress. Solar Stratos is a groundbreaking aeronautical project that aims to be the first to fly a piloted solar-powered airplane into the stratosphere. This ambitious endeavor showcases the potential of renewable energy and the possibilities of electric aviation. The Zephyr was a pioneering helicopter developed by Curtie Aerospace Division. Notably, it was one of the first helicopters in the world to be equipped with a parachute recovery system. The yacht Olivia O is a luxurious vessel that offers a unique and unforgettable experience on the water. Known for its elegant design, spacious accommodations, and state-of-the-art amenities, it is a popular choice for those seeking a first-class yachting experience. Holmatra Rescue is a global leader in the field of hydraulic rescue tools and equipment, specializing in providing innovative solutions for emergency services worldwide. With a focus on reliability, efficiency, and ease of use, Holmatra's products are designed to meet the demanding requirements of firefighters, rescue teams, and law enforcement personnel. Survivor Filter collapsible canteens are innovative and portable water storage solutions designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survival situations. Their unique collapsible design allows them to be compressed when empty, making them ideal for backpacking, camping, and hiking. The Airlight Flash is a cutting-edge, lightweight tethered aerostat system developed by LTA Projects. Designed for rapid deployment and easy operation, it offers a versatile platform for aerial surveillance, communications, and other applications. Highly portable and easily transportable, the Survival Capsule is a revolutionary survival pod designed to protect individuals from natural disasters such as tsunamis, floods, and earthquakes. The capsule is designed to float and withstand extreme forces, making it a reliable refuge in the event of a disaster. The MSR Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit is a high-performance snowshoe designed for efficient and comfortable travel in various snow conditions. It's a popular choice among winter hikers, backcountry skiers, and snowshoers due to its versatility and durability. Long hikes. The Bushbuck Dry Toes waterproof merino socks are a high-performance sock designed to keep your feet dry, warm, and comfortable in wet and cold conditions. Their waterproof membrane effectively repels water, while the soft and breathable merino wool provides excellent insulation and temperature regulation. Milesi Optics, a renowned manufacturer of thermal imaging equipment, is dedicated to elevating outdoor experiences. Their comprehensive product line encompasses thermal monoculars, binoculars, and hunting and shooting accessories, each meticulously engineered to provide exceptional performance and durability. Surviveware emergency mylar blankets are a must-have for any emergency preparedness kit. These lightweight reflective blankets are designed to help maintain body heat in cold weather conditions, making them ideal for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or even keeping in your car for unexpected emergencies. Freefall is a domestically produced emergency evacuation system from Bangladesh, designed to provide a safe and efficient means of escape during emergencies such as fires, earthquakes, or other disasters. Installing aqua barrier in a canal presents unique challenges due to the canal's size, water flow, and potential for erosion. With proper planning and execution, aqua barrier can be an effective tool for flood control and water management. The Leader Easy 5000 is a powerful firefighting large flow fan designed to provide high-volume airflow for rapid fire suppression and ventilation. It is a versatile tool that can be used in various firefighting scenarios, from structural fires and wildfires to industrial fires and ventilation. Cascade Rescue Company is a pioneer in aerial evacuation systems, providing innovative solutions for rescuing individuals from inaccessible or dangerous locations. Their cable gliders are designed to offer a safe and efficient means of evacuation, utilizing a secure anchor point and a strong weather-resistant cable. The Thai 3R drone rope rescue experiment conducted by Didiok Makings was a groundbreaking initiative aimed at demonstrating the potential of drones for conducting rescue operations in challenging environments. The experiment involved using a drone equipped with a specialized rope system to deliver life-saving equipment to individuals stranded in remote or inaccessible locations. Ground screws have been strategically placed along the shoreline of Hayden Lake. These sturdy screws will serve as the foundation for a new staircase, ensuring a stable and durable structure. This versatile tool is designed for efficient planting. Whether you're creating a new flower bed or transplanting seedlings, this tool makes the process quick and easy. The John Deere with an FR22 disc is a powerful and versatile tracked feller buncher designed for efficient timber harvesting operations. This combination provides a robust and reliable solution for felling and bunching trees in various forestry environments. The Zebra Crossing Painting Machine is a specialized piece of equipment designed to efficiently and accurately mark pedestrian crosswalks. It typically features a tank to hold the paint, a precise application system, and a guidance mechanism to ensure straight and even lines. This machine is a versatile piece of equipment designed to streamline the production of animal feed. It efficiently compresses the feed into dents. This process not only reduces storage space but also improves the shelf life of the feed by minimizing moisture content and preventing spoilage. The smoke machine is a device that creates artificial smoke or fog. It works by heating a liquid, often based on mineral oil or propylene glycol, until it vaporizes. This vapor is then cooled, causing it to condense into a fine mist that resembles smoke. The Laowa 8-in-1 multifunctional wire stripping pliers is a versatile tool designed to streamline various electrical tasks. This compact tool combines several functions into a single unit, making it an essential addition to any electrician's toolkit. LifeStraw is a personal water filtration device that provides access to clean drinking water in areas where it is scarce or contaminated. It's a simple yet effective tool that has helped millions of people around the world. The LifeStraw is completely chemical-free and does not require any batteries or electricity to operate. Magic Leap 2, an advanced augmented reality device, holds immense potential to revolutionize healthcare. By overlaying digital information onto the real world, it can enhance medical education, surgical training, and patient care. The Suzuki Mukba Concept Robotic is a futuristic vision that combines the affordability and reliability of the Suzuki Mukba with advanced robotic technology. The next-generation four-legged mobility mukbibukba is a groundbreaking concept that promises to revolutionize the way we move. Pipei is a groundbreaking robotic survey vehicle designed to navigate confined spaces like culverts and tunnels. Equipped with LiDAR, video, and image capture capabilities, it provides detailed spatial information for a variety of applications. Pipei can be used to inspect underground pipes and tunnels for signs of corrosion, damage, or structural defects. ETH researchers have developed a groundbreaking robotic printing process for Earth-based materials. The process, known as impact printing, involves a robot shooting material from above to gradually build a wall. As the material impacts the surface, the parts bond together with minimal additives. This eliminates the need for lengthy pauses during the printing process, as seen in concrete 3D printing. The material used is a mixture of excavated materials, silt and clay, making it readily available and sustainable. The Costway 3-layer floating Oasis waterpad foam mat is a versatile and durable water accessory perfect for pool parties, lake days, or ocean adventures. Its soft and comfortable surface provides a relaxing spot to lounge, while its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. The beachfront floating platform using SETI OS modular pontoon floats is a versatile and customizable water-based structure that can be adapted to a wide range of purposes. Constructed with durable and stable HDPE pontoons, the platform offers a solid and reliable foundation for your water-based activities. With the intricate mold, they poured a mixture of concrete, crafting tiles that were as unique as snowflakes. Each tile told a story, its patterns and textures a silent language of artistry. Mini Monitor USB-C docking station, a versatile hub for your workspace. Featuring a 3.5-inch IPS screen for additional display, USB 3.0 ports for connecting peripherals, and HDMI output for expanding your desktop setup. Enchantiatia is a magical elixir brewed in the witchcraft teapot using a specific blend of herbs, flowers, and moonlit water. This potent potion is said to have the power to grant wishes, but only if the drinker is pure of heart and truly believes in the magic of the teapot. The Max Pump 3 is a portable, lightweight, and versatile 3-in-1 air pump, vacuum pump, and lantern designed for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. Manufactured by Flextail, it weighs only 4.3 oz and boasts a powerful performance. Its long battery life provides up to 60 minutes of use on a single charge, making it ideal for inflating air mattresses and more. The integrated LED light offers 3 brightness levels for illumination, further enhancing its versatility. The Radiate Portable Campfire offers a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional campfires. This small, lightweight container is filled with recycled soy wax and paper pulp, easily ignited with a match to provide a flame for 3 to 5 hours. Its portability makes it ideal for camping, picnics, or backyard gatherings, while its eco-friendly construction from recycled materials appeals to the environmentally conscious. The MSR Trail Shot Water Filter is a must-have for trail runners seeking a lightweight and efficient hydration solution. This pocket-sized microfilter allows runners to drink directly from natural water sources, eliminating the need to carry heavy water bottles. Its simple, one-handed operation filters 1 liter of water in just 60 seconds, ensuring minimal interruption to your run. The Trail Shot is effective against bacteria and clean drinking water on the go. Finlough is a unique resort located in Enniskillen, Northern Ireland, offering a chance to connect with nature in luxurious comfort. It is known for its distinctive accommodations, including forest domes and bubble domes, where guests can immerse themselves in the surrounding beauty. The resort also features a restaurant and bar providing a complete relaxation and wellness experience. Transparent bubble glamping tents offer a unique and immersive outdoor experience, combining the beauty of nature with the comforts of a cozy shelter. Made from durable, transparent materials like polycarbonate, these tents provide a 360-degree view of the surrounding landscape, allowing you to fully appreciate starry nights and breathtaking sunrises. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway or an adventurous family vacation, a transparent bubble tent promises an unforgettable glamping experience. GoSun offers a range of innovative solar ovens, including the Sport, Go, and Fusion models, providing a clean, portable, and versatile cooking solution. These ovens harness the power of the sun to cook various foods like meats, vegetables, and desserts, making them ideal for outdoor activities such as camping and hiking. While offering environmental benefits and ease of use, GoSun ovens do require sunlight to operate and can have a longer cooking time compared to conventional. Although they come with a higher initial cost, they present a compelling option for those seeking a sustainable and convenient way to cook. The Serotonin Outdoor Stove is making waves as the world's smallest detachable secondary burning camping stove. Its ultra-compact design allows it to fit in the palm of your hand when disassembled, making it a perfect companion for backpackers and minimalist campers. This innovative stove boasts a detachable design for easy assembly and packing, and utilizes a secondary combustion process for increased fuel efficiency and reduced smoke. Constructed from durable titanium or stainless steel, the bright blue fully clad accommodation module is currently undergoing a test raise, likely to ensure its lifting mechanism and structural integrity are sound. This crucial step precedes its relocation. The robust cladding of the module hints at a design intended to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring comfortable accommodation regardless of its location. The monolith designed by Exud is a revolutionary tent, offering unparalleled versatility and convenience for outdoor adventurers. Its innovative inflatable structure allows for rapid setup, taking only 15 seconds on the ground or 5 minutes when suspended. This unique design enables users to enjoy the shelter either traditionally on the ground or suspended in the air, thanks to an adjustable strap system combined with rigid carbon bars. The Vayu, created by AL Green Limited, is a novel living air purifier designed to create fresh green spaces. It utilizes microalgae to effectively filter pollutants from the air and produce oxygen, boasting a carbon dioxide removal rate 40 times higher than typical houseplants. The Oceanus Brass Tankard, crafted by Oceanus Brass, is a drinking vessel made of brass. These tankards are likely designed with a classic or traditional aesthetic, possibly evoking a sense of history or craftsmanship. The Pro Collard K series is presented by Pro Collard as an entry-level option for those interested in getting started with direct-to-film printing. DTF printing is a process that involves printing designs onto a special film, which is then heat transferred onto various fabrics and materials. The Sictron Infini X1 is touted as the world's first fully functional e-bike by Sictron. This implies that it's not just a prototype or concept, but a production-ready electric bicycle. Fully functional likely means it incorporates all the features expected of a modern e-bike, such as a motor for assisted pedaling or full electric propulsion. A battery system controls for speed and assistance levels, and standard bicycle components like wheels, brakes, and a frame.